shaking so much. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Low Red 60 back here again with another banger. So baby girl won't start. The fuel gelled, froze up. It's probably been about a week or two. My truck's a 05, so I don't believe that they put the block heater cord installed with this year. Could be wrong, but mine don't have it, or at least I can't find it yet, and I'm not laying under the truck to find it because there's a bunch of snow down there. I'm not getting wet and cold. I'm already cold. But anyway, it's supposed to be like right on the passenger side in the bumper, and I can't see it or find it. But anyway, we're in 07.3 here. We're gonna see if we can get old girl to warm up a bit and start her. But we'll see. Look, here we go. Watch this. Every time, baby. 7.3, baby. Nah, we're gonna get old girl, get her going good, and hopefully this will work. But anyway, there she is right there. She's all frozen. She's got a flat tire now. Under construction, boys. That's all I can say. Make sure you stay tuned, son. Anyway, let's get it. All right, so we got her all hooked up to old girl here. Gonna let that battery charge up a little bit. Get those cold batteries, some life in them. My batteries are pretty old too. Like, they should be needing new ones, but the truck's still got power, so I mean it should crank with the batteries that it has. It shouldn't be the batteries, if anything. Definitely need glow plugs though, that's for sure. I got a few out. But yeah. I tried to cycle the key twice before even starting it, and then start it. Didn't work. It just clicked. But we still got power, and it's clicking. So that means that the batteries aren't completely dead. So we'll see what it turns out. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit here and charge for a little bit and find out. Let me show you guys the truck. Look at this poor girl. Oh, frozen. Oh, icy. See, that's how it's good. What? To say the least, she's been a little neglected for a couple weeks. But, yeah. We'll be coming back, and she's going to be coming back with a bang. But, this is all part of the process. Sold my, well, no, I can't tell you that yet. You'll find out. Alright, boys. So I let her sit here and charge for a second. I'm about to hop out and hop in her. See if we can get her a crank. Cranker danker, baby. Alright, baby. Be good to me. shot. Yes, sir! Yeah! Boy! That's a good girl right there! Woo! Yeah, son! Bad girl, bad! Woo! Oh, man. That just made my day. Like, not even playing that just made my day. It's been like 2 weeks since I heard "Oh Baby Girl." Anyway, no, I gotta go back to 7.3 in here real quick. But I gotta, yeah, it probably needs new batteries because that worked. Unless it was just that cold and it made it. I tried to start it too many times when it gelled. And then ran the batteries dead. Who knows? But either way, she started and I'm happy. So we're gonna get old girl. We're gonna let her warm up for a while, like a while. If you know me, in the winter, old baby girl right there, she be warming up for 30 minutes every time I start her if it's cold in the mornings and stuff, you know? And that's just how you gotta do it. Because, you know, these girls, they need their love. They need to warm up a bit. So anyway. Oh yeah, she's singing right now. Cold though, she's cold. She ain't happy about it. It's too cold, man. I need the defrost. The warm. Okay, better. Look at this. My water bottle's frozen. Yeah, usually if this does this, the batteries did go too low or something. I don't know. But usually every time this happens on my truck, personally, the batteries have gone low. But we'll see. I mean, see what she's pushing right now. Come on, baby, load up. It is cold in here, guys. Like, okay, here we go. What's our battery at? 13.9. It's cold. Fickum, look at that Fickum. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna call the wife and let her know the good news. What do we got here? All right. What's up, baby? You so pretty. All right, you ready?
What?
You ready?
For?
To see this. Can you hear it? Yeah. All right, son. We got our girl pulled over to the house. We're gonna fill up the tire. We got her pulled over here. We're gonna put air in the tire. We're gonna finish airing it up. I aired it up like halfway with the tank. And I was like, I ain't waiting for this without all the good pressure. So I rolled it back over to the house and plugged it in. Got the truck over here. We're gonna go ahead and air back up. And we're gonna go put fuel in this girl because she's about, she's almost to the quarter tank line. But you know, we ain't trying to run it low when it's cold like this. All right, but yeah, temps are doing good. Everything's warming up. She's a beast still, you know. So there's our temps at idle. Pretty good. Like I said, it was cold, so it's taking a minute. But yeah, we're looking all good. What's up, you guys? I already introed this video. What am I talking about? Anyway, we got fuel in her, and she's still a beast. We're chilling. We just tried to whip a little in the snow right now, and two-wheel drive, no likey. But anyway, I'm still in two-wheel drive, and I'm gonna. What would a little red video be without a little sendy, bud? All right, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'll get you guys a passenger seat. All right, you guys are gonna get that experience. Let's rip it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know you gotta be hearing her. Yeah, you gotta hear her. All right, baby girl, let's get it. It's too slippery, man. That a girl right there. That a girl. Come on, baby, back up. Yep. Don't you just love when you're going straight and it's fine, and you put in reverse and she starts spinning? Kills me every time. Then you gotta baby it back. But you know, Little Red, she likes to give it a little sendy. She don't like to be going slow. Come on. It's a 6-0, baby. How you do it. All right. We're all good to go. Oh yeah, we're definitely into it. I was just checking. All right, boys. Well, she lives to see another day. She sure does. She a good girl. But anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Giveaways at 1,000 subscribers, bro. We're a little bit over 900 right now. You better get in it right now. But anyway, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, all that stuff. Little Red 60. Go get it. You won't be disappointed. Make sure you drop a comment on this video, leave a like, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later. Baby girl needs her 14 wides back. I'm sorry, guys. But we got rid of the 22. Gotta go beer, baby. All right. See you guys later.